As we drive down Chiswick High Road, the hustle and bustle of this vibrant London street mirrors the timeless wisdom we're about to discuss. The road, lined with an eclectic mix of shops, cafes, and historic buildings, presents a dynamic landscape of activity and culture. Passing by the elegant facades of Victorian and Edwardian architecture, each building holds stories and purposes beyond its outward appearance. The lively market stalls and street performers embody, as their energy and talents captivate passers-by without needing grand declarations. As we stop at a light, we notice the carefully maintained gardens and parks, a testament to a stitch in time saves nine.
Welcome to YardVibz TV. Please like, comment, share, subscribe.
Good morning, my compadres. In the ever-evolving journey of life, wisdom often comes from the simplest of observations. Throughout history, humanity has distilled complex experiences and lessons into concise, memorable sayings known as proverbs or idioms. These nuggets of wisdom, passed down through generations, offer timeless guidance, practical advice, and a glimpse into the collective knowledge of cultures around the world. Collection of Life's Little Nuggets is designed to provide you with a rich tapestry of insights that can be applied to everyday situations. Whether you're navigating personal challenges, making important decisions, or seeking a bit of comfort and motivation, these sayings serve as a compass pointing towards time-tested truths. As you explore these nuggets, you'll find that they resonate across different facets of life, highlighting commonalities in human experience and offering a sense of shared understanding and wisdom. Today, I'll be talking about 10 of life's little nuggets. 1. A stitch in time saves nine is an old English proverb. Taking care of small problems promptly prevents larger issues. This emphasizes the importance of addressing issues early to avoid bigger problems later. 2. Actions speak louder than words, from ancient Greece. What people do is more significant than what they say, showing intentions and feelings through actions rather than words. 3. All that glitters is not gold. From Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice, not everything that looks valuable or true turns out to be so. This warns against being deceived by appearances. 4. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Cervantes' Don Quixote. Don't risk everything on a single venture. This advises diversification in investments and plans. 5. A picture is worth 1,000 words. From the early 20th century advertising, visuals can convey complex ideas more effectively than words. Highlights the power of visual communication. 6. Every cloud has a silver lining. John Milton's Comus, there's something good in every bad situation, encourages optimism and looks for the positive in difficult situations. 7. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. St. Ambrose, 4th century. Adapt to the customs of the place you are visiting. Advises respecting and following local customs and practices. 8. Two heads are better than one. John Haywood's Proverbs, collaborating with others can lead to better results. Promote teamwork and collaboration. 9. The early bird catches the worm. William Camden's Remains of a Greater Work Concerning Britain. Those who start early have an advantage. Encourages being early or proactive to seize opportunities. 10. You can't judge a book by its cover. 19th century American idiom. Outward appearances can be deceptive. Advises looking deeper into situations or people before making judgments. These 10 nuggets of wisdom offer a rich array of insights that reflect fundamental truths about human behavior, decision-making, and relationships. These sayings, rooted in centuries of human experience, provide practical guidance and encouragement that remain relevant today. A stitch in time saves 9. Teaches the value of addressing small issues before they become larger problems, emphasizing proactive care. Actions speak louder than words. Reminds us that what we do often has more impact than what we say, urging us to lead by example. All that glitters is not gold. Warns against being deceived by appearances, encouraging us to look deeper to find true value. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It advises diversification and caution in our endeavors to avoid total loss. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Highlights the power of visuals to convey complex ideas more effectively than verbal descriptions. Every cloud has a silver lining, encourages optimism, and finds positive aspects even in difficult situations. When in Rome, do as the Romans do, emphasizes the importance of adapting to and respecting local customs and norms. 2 heads are better than one, which promotes collaboration, suggesting that working together leads to better solutions. The early bird catches the worm, advocates for early action and preparedness to seize opportunities. You can't judge a book by its cover, advises against making superficial judgments, encouraging us to look beyond appearances to understand true character or value. Each of these nuggets serves as a gentle reminder of principles that can enhance our personal and professional lives. They underscore the importance of timely action, integrity, thorough evaluation, adaptability, collaboration, and optimism. By reflecting on these timeless truths, we can better navigate the complexities of life with wisdom and insight. Drawing on the collective experience encapsulated in these sayings. As we conclude this collection, it's evident that these proverbs and idioms are more than just words. They are reflections of the human spirit and its quest for meaning and improvement. Each nugget encapsulates a piece of the vast human experience, offering practical advice, encouragement, and perspective. They remind us of the importance of patience, caution, resilience, and understanding in our daily lives. By internalizing and applying these sayings, we can navigate life's complexities with greater clarity and confidence. These nuggets of wisdom, though often simple, carry profound truths that transcend time and culture, underscoring our shared human journey. As you carry these insights forward, may they serve as valuable companions, guiding you towards a life filled with thoughtful action, meaningful connections, and enduring wisdom. Our journey ends here today, so until next time, stay easy.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.